Welcome to this video on electric motors. We will answer 10 frequently asked questions to help you understand and select the right motor for your needs. First, how does an electric motor work? The motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electricity creates a magnetic field, which generates force to spin the rotor. The difference between brushed and brushless motors lies in their design. Brushed motors use physical contacts, causing friction, heat, and requiring frequent replacement. Brushless motors use electronic controllers and magnets, offering a longer lifespan due to less friction. Understanding a NEMA motor nameplate is essential. It tells you the rated mechanical power in HP, the electrical input required in volts/amps, the full load speed in RPM, the percentage of power converted into useful work, NEMA nom, EFF, and the protection level via the enclosure type, ENCL. Choosing the right motor enclosure is crucial for longevity. Open drip proof, ODP, is for clean, indoor use. Totally enclosed fan-cooled, TEFC, blocks contaminants and is for dirty environments. Severe duty, IEEE 841, resists heavy corrosion for petrochemical applications. Efficiency and power factor are distinct measurements. Efficiency measures mechanical output and determines your real energy consumption. Power factor measures electrical phase alignment and dictates cable requirements, with low power factors leading to utility penalties. Why do electric motors fail? The biggest cause is bearings at 51%, often due to poor lubrication. Stator winding failure at 16% results from electrical overloading and excess heat. External conditions like humidity and dirt also account for 16% of failures. Bearing failure is the most common issue. Causes include insufficient lubrication, excessive greasing, blowing out seals, using the wrong lubricant, shaft misalignment, and vibration destroying the mechanical structure. Heat severely affects the stator winding. A 10 degrees Celsius reduction in operating temperature can double the motor's lifetime. Overloading and excessive starts cause overheating, which degrades the stator insulation over time. External conditions damage motors through humidity, contamination, and ambient heat. High humidity causes corrosion. Contamination clogs cooling vents, leading to heat buildup. High ambient heat prevents proper cooling, exceeding insulation limits. To troubleshoot a failing motor, follow 3 steps. Check the voltage, check the current, and check the load. Low voltage increases current draw. Current unbalance indicates power supply issues. Measuring idle current isolates mechanical overloads.